Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to join a group on Steam. So open up your Steam, go and hover over your name and select groups. Now you can see here in what group you are, and you can of course leave it if you want, but we are not doing that. So you can create a group or you can find a group. So let's find a group. Now you kind of need to know what you're searching for. So let's say I'm searching for some kind of a Steam group. As you can see, we have multiple groups here, but let's say I want to join this first one. I click on it and instantly I have this option, join group. Now I'll not be joining this group because truly I'm not really interested, but if you are or you found a group that you want to join, just press this and you've successfully joined the group. Now when you hover over your name and go to groups, and on this one, your groups, you'll see a group that you're in right now, and it should be the group that you've just joined. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.